Hi, I'm Vishal Jariwala, founder of Adsnex. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to share what I am developing. I hold an MBA degree in dual specializations in operations and marketing. I also hold a computer engineering degree. So let's talk about Adsnex. Adsnex is an AI native ads operating system. Think of it as one OS where a B2B customer or agency logs in, they can launch their Meta ads, Google ads, ads on OTT or any other e-commerce platform. Simply they just have to put the website and the entire ads will be created. Once the ad is created, it will be actually shown and pushed to the platform. And then after the platform receives the ad, AI will also monitor the ads using Agentic AI and also improve the performance, drive the performance, save the money, and also check what correction needs to be done. So this is going to be an autonomous and completely AI driven platform. Before Adsnex, I have been a founder in J Group Robotics, which is into 3D printing technology. After that, with the help of Dipti Patle, my wife, I founded Smiliners, and together we started an AI digital marketing firm. With there, I got the experience, and also we came to know about the challenges what people are facing while launching the ads. So we actually built an optimized solution using AI, solving the problem. Adsnex is being completely built using vibe coding. Currently, we are in the prototype stage. The actual problem in the industry is there are several tools being used, 10 to 15 different tools for image generation, video generation, ad copywriting, and much more. And then after using these tools, you also have to train the employees, find the corrections, and after using these tools, you have to list separately on each platform. So you keep on wasting more than $50,000. Okay, for big company ad spends, and you don't have a cross-platform learning also. There is no intelligent system who can tell you that, okay, here this is performing, here it's not performing. If it is not performing, what needs to be changed? So there is where we are creating the AI. This is where the solution of Adsnex comes into picture. So here, rather than using all these fragmented tools and training the employees and wasting money on each platform with the time, most importantly, what Adsnex will do is the user or the ad creator just have to come onto the Adsnex, log into the portal, just enter their website and just fill in some details about the product or the services what they're offering, and Adsnex will create the entire ad, starting from the image creation to the reel creation, video creation, to the ad copies suitable for different platforms. And most importantly, it will also side by side do the cross learning of the platforms, and users have different choices whether to list it on OTT apps, whether to list it on the e-commerce platforms, whether to list it on Meta ads, Google ads, and many more. With this, what happens is slowly, as per the budget, the AI will start suggesting where to scale up, which platforms to use, and this is how the actual unlocking of the growth happens. What makes us completely different? Adsnex is just not a tool which will just focus on image generation or just focus on video generation or just focus on writing the ad copies. It's a complete entire ecosystem with a complete OS, where starting from the understanding of the product, understanding the audiences, target audiences, understanding the how the ad works with different platform, creating images, videos, driving performance, getting the sales. This is what the AI does. Also, if you talk about the best thing is we are also developing an LLM for ads. This is going to be our moat, a long time journey where big companies can take the API keys from us, use the LLM and study the demographics of the market. Talking about the basically economy, where we see that in our tokenization system we have 80 to 90% of profit. Our LTV and CAC ratios are 3:1 and up to 6:1. We are raising pre-seed fund of 10 crores, approximately $1.1 million, to build the Adsnex and target around 1200 to 1800 paid users. Adsnex is going to be an AI native ads operating system built in India but made for global scale. Thank you.